teacher and friend. My name is Beth. I'm 10 years old and this is my homework. One story a day. The new kid. Adam was the new kid at his school. One day he was walking home alone. Suddenly, a boy came from behind a bushes. Adam fell to the ground. The boy sighed. Give me your MP3 player. Now. No, it's mine. Adam cried. Some boy from school saw this. First they did not stop to help. He is not our friend, they sighed. Why should we help him? They took another street. Just then, Greg came over. He shouted to the boy, "Hey, stop it! You can do this." The boy looked at Greg angrily. They came away. Greg bullied Adam up. He walked with Adam to his house. From that day on, they became good friends. Thanks for your listening and goodbye teacher and goodbye everyone. Goodbye.